Hello friends, today we are going to discuss LR parser or LRK techniques. What is LR parser? LR parser is nothing but a bottom up parsing technique. What is that LR and what is that LRK techniques? So what is that LR? First L stand for scanning input from left to right, and second R stand for rightmost derivation. And what is that K? K is nothing but what amount of input, how many of input is to be pointed by look ahead pointer at a time. Okay, so what is bottom up parsing? Bottom up parsing, it is a technique which traverses a tree from leaf node to the root node. In other words, we can say that it constructs a parse tree or a tree from child node to the parent node. Okay, there are different techniques of a bottom up parsing, such as bottom up parsing is also called a sheep reduce parser. We already discussed these things. Now there are different techniques which is to be there are different types are available for bottom up parsing. That is your operator precedence parser and LRK technique. Operator precedence parser and LRK technique. In LRK technique or LR parser, there are different types are available, such as LR0, SLR1, LALR1, and CLR1. Okay, now we are going to discuss these things in detail. What is LR0? LR0 is nothing but, we already discussed these things. First L stand for scanning input from left to right, R is nothing but your rightmost derivation, and 0 is nothing but no any symbol is to be pointed by look ahead pointer at a time. Now next one is SLR. SLR is stand for simple LR. It is also called as simple LR or SLR1. Okay, what is that one? One is nothing but look ahead pointer pointed out one pointer at a time, or one input symbol at a time. Now next one is LALR1. LALR is nothing but your look ahead LR pointer or look ahead LR. Okay, now next one is CLR. CLR is nothing but or CLR technique or CLR1, canonical LR technique. The main difference between these four techniques are LR0 and SLR1 uses LR0 atoms, and LALR1 and CLR1 uses LR1 atoms. We are going to discuss these things, what is that LR0 atoms and LR1 atoms in detail. Now next one is LR0 and SLR are least powerful compared to the CLR and LALR, but CLR1 and LLR1 are most powerful compared to the LR0 and SLR1. LR0 is easy. LR0 parsing table or a simple LR1 parsing table is easy to construct, but compared to CLR and LLR1, most expensive technique is to be constructed. Okay, thank you.